Hi everyone, welcome back to the new brand Python course. In previous lecture we have installed Python and PyCharm IDE on Windows 11 machine. In this lecture we are going to create our first Python project and first Python program. Alright, so let us open the PyCharm IDE. Well, you can see the welcome to PyCharm screen over here. And here you can see a couple of options. This is the projects. From here you can create the new project, you can create the script, you can open the existing project, and you can also clone the project from GitHub repository. Next, here we have customize option. From here you can customize the appearance of your PyCharm IDE. For example, you can change the theme from here. Right now it is dark, you can change to light or light with light header, high contrast, dark color. So whatever the theme you want, you can select from here. Okay, so I am going to select the light because I am happy with the light. If you want dark, you can select the dark over here. Next, you can also change the language. By default it is English, but you can choose whatever the language you want. And next, you can change the ID font as well. By default it is 13, but you can change to 14, 16, whatever the font you want. For example, I am going to keep font 16. Next, here you can also select the key map. By default Windows, so let us keep it as it is. Next, here we have plugins section. From here you can install the plugins from the marketplace, and here you have a learn option. From here you can learn the Python from different resources. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create a first Python project in our PyCharm IDE. Okay, so go to the projects over here, and here just click on the new project. So here let us select the location in which the Python project will get saved. So here I am going to select Python course folder from my file system, which is in a E drive, followed by let us give the project name. So let us give the project name as first Python project. So this is the folder and this is the project name. This project will basically save in this folder. Okay, next, here we have a couple of options, like if you want to create this project as a Git repository, you can select or you can tick mark this. If you want to create a welcome script along with this project, you can just tick mark this. Next, we need to choose the interpreter type. So let us keep default as it is, and here we need to choose the Python version. Well, we have already installed the Python 3.13 in our machine, so by default the PyCharm selected that Python version over here. For example, you can see the Python installation directory, C program files, within that Python 3.13, and this is the Python exe file. So by default the PyCharm will select whatever the Python installation that you have in your machine. Okay, next let me maximize this, and here we have option create. So just click on this create button to create this project. Next, let us go ahead and create our first Python program. So in order to write the Python program, we need a Python file, isn't it? So within this Python project, let us first create a Python file. So just right click on the project and then select new and then choose Python file over here, and here let us give file name as main and hit enter, and look at here the file extension main.py. So the Python code will be saved in this file and the file extension should be .py. Okay, perfect. Now we have created Python file. Next, within a Python file, let us write some Python code. For example, here just type print, and look at here, print is basically inbuilt Python function that we use to print something on the screen. Now let us print something to the screen. So let us say hello Python. You no need to put the semicolon at the end because Python don't need a semicolon at the end of the statements. Okay, now we have written this print statement to print hello Python to the screen. Now we have created our first Python program that prints hello Python to the screen. Next, let us see how to run this Python program. It is very simple. Just right click anywhere on the window and just choose run main. This will run the Python program, and you can see the output over here, hello Python. So whatever the text you give to this print function, that text will be printed to the console over here like this. For example, if I change the text and if I give something like Python programming, or let us say I love Python programming, and then run the program, right click, run main, and you can see I love Python programming is printed to the screen. And one more thing is, you can also run the Python program from here as well. You can see this icon over here. Just click on this icon, it will run the selected Python file over here. Okay, perfect. Next, let us see how to run multiple Python statements. So here I am going to type few Python statement over here. Let us say line 1, and then print line 2, or say line 2, and then print line 3. Perfect. Next, let us run this Python program, and you can see the output over here. And notice here, when we run it, Python will display all these lines one after the other. That's because Python reads your file top to bottom, one line at a time. This is called sequential execution. There are no special symbols or semicolons and at the end of each line in a Python. Just write the statement, press enter, and you are ready to go. Alright, so let me recap what we have done in this lecture. We have created our first Python project using PyCharm, and we have also written our first Python program. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.